Alright, so we're gonna cut up the pineapple here. Okay, so you want to take the top and the bottom off, and it comes off pretty easy. Okay? So this is now garbage. And then you want to cut up the bottom here. Just enough to go down. There we go. So you don't want to lose too much of the bottom there. Okay, so. Okay, so your next step is you're gonna have to cut off the sides. Okay, so this is where it becomes a little bit hard. You don't want to waste a lot of the meat here. But you also don't want to be having some of that skin on there. Almost there, guys. And when your pineapple's ripe, you can start smelling it. It's actually quite good. Alright, so now you might be wondering, oh, how do you get rid of all these little things? This is where it takes a lot of time to cut these little parts off. And each individual little eye that you have to do. So yeah, it takes a while to get all these out. You want to make sure your knife is nice and sharp. If you get them in a nice angle like this, you get all three at once. I'm going to keep this on the floor here. And that is it, guys. So what you want to do from there is you're gonna cut in half here. So pretty easy. You can cut it like this, just right down the middle. There we go. And then you can take out the core, which is actually kind of right here. Good. That's one good piece. Here's another good piece. Then you got that stem that you want to get rid of. All you do is you cut it right here. That's that woody part of the stem. Right there. You can use it for juice or something like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you chop it. And that's how you cut your pineapple, guys. Okay.